Hello, happy Tuesday. Just started working, turned the machines on. These emblems from yesterday, I need to cut them out on the band, so in a minute. Machines are running. We are carving a sign here for Tulsa, Oklahoma, and we're working on some, we call them night cutouts. These are special emblems. Not special. Custom emblems for a military unit. That's their military crest. So yeah, working on that. Got a fire going. So, just carving and cutting out those emblems, sanding, stain, and polyurethane sealer. That's for the agenda. That's on the agenda for the day. Alright, what day is today, Philip?
Tuesday.
Tuesday is coming to an end. We got this new basketball goal hoop. I don't know what you call this thing. So we're trying to learn basketball. We're Germans, so we only know how to control the ball by foot, right?
Like this.
Yeah, just like that. So we're trying to learn basketball, and it's getting dark, but like and subscribe. Comment below. We lost a subscriber, so I guess unsubscribe and don't comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yes.
Peace!